Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 2 at Cartitude. This week we will have in work two amazing projects, a Lotus Esprit, very beautiful car, classic car, will be fully detailed, paint correction, full protection, but you will see more during this video. The second one is a Fiat Abarth 695 Ferrari Tributo, amazing project. Let's go inside and let's start the work. What do you think about this amazing car? Will be a full project of paint restoration. This original paint, a single stage paint, but we will restore the paint, we will remove the wheels, will be fully washed, decontaminated, polished. The paintwork will be protected with PPF and some ceramic coating, undercarriage, anti-corrosion treatment, windows, interior, leather, fabrics. Any little surface of this car will be proper detailed and protected. I know it will be a massive project. I anticipate minimum 1.5 weeks work on this car, but I'm sure the result will be spot on. In this bay we have a Fiat 695 Abarth. It's a Tributo for Ferrari. Same amazing color, red color. We started already with washing, paint decontamination, preparation process for PPF installation. The full front will be protected with Xpel Ultimate Plus. The rest of the car ceramic coating. Same ceramic coating treatments for wheels, brake calipers, full interior detail. I'm sure we'll put a love and passion on this little red supercar, but for now I'll let the last two continue the work and you can see the process. This project, we did a lot of tests around the vehicle to see exactly on this paint condition, on these oxidation stains, if can be corrected or not. And if can be corrected, what is the best method to remove them and to cut less from the paint, because on the end it's a classic car, original paint, and our main focus is to keep this paint in impeccable condition. How long time? I don't want to fight with a scratch. I want to find the best solution, win-win for us and for the car as well, and for the owner. Here in this area we already removed that stains. Just from some angles you can still see a little bit of corrosion behind, but it's 95% correction factor achieved here, and our customer is already happy. On this side I don't work it yet. Here on the roof was the most big one and the most severe stain. We did a lot of around 3-4 stages of wet sanding and then 3-4 stages of buffing, but it looks great. We will need to continue with this one, and all over the car. We need to start with sanding, remove everything that is severe damage on the paintwork. Then we will start with the full paint correction process, interior detail and everything, but will be a long project, and I'm sure the end result will be magic. Just be patient and watch the video till the end. Friday, we already worked on this car 4 days. We did a major progress. As you see on the bonnet, on the roof, all over around, the stains from the watermarks was completely removed, but with a very difficult process. Now, the correction is almost done. We still need to work on that side to complete the door and the rear wing. Then we will start to do the finishing steps, washing, decontamination and PPF installation. We did a very good progress with the Fiat. Full front end extended PPF was installed on the full front, rocker panels. The rest of the paintwork, we did a enhancement detail, 2-stage machine polish. The paintwork is corrected. We applied ceramic coating from G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra and XO. The wheels are removed, ceramic coated, wheels and brake calipers as well. Full interior detail, protection for any little piece of material of this interior, Alcantara, leather, plastic, door cards, dashboard, everything. Let's go forward with the final touches. Let's see the end result and let's jump on this one because we still have another few days of work. Monday, when we start working on this car, everything was so simple. It's just a small car, enhancement detail, front PPF, ceramic, done, 2-3 days maximum. But everything starts to get complicated when we realize that we don't have kit for this model. PPF kits was just for 595 model. This is 695, and it's a special edition of the Ferrari Tributo. I was thinking will be an easy PPF job, but was get complicated during the process because of the custom installation PPF. Then we completed the rest of the car paint correction. Crystal Serum Ultra from G-Technique was applied on the paint, 9 years warranty. Wheels was removed, ceramic coating, brake calipers as well. The wheel arches was cleaned, decontaminated and treated with hyper dressing and plastic protector. Full interior detail, leather, Alcantara dashboard, the carbon on the dashboard, on the door cards was protected with XO ceramic coating. Today we installed the PPF on the headlights and rear lights as well. We'll drop the car with enclosed transportation services with our trailer to the customer address, and we will collect a new project you will see next week. But Lotus is still in progress. We complete the paint correction. From Monday we will start the PPF installation on that car. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video and watch the video till the end to see the end result of that Lotus, because that one is a massive project and it's extended on 2 weeks. There are a lot of details that you can see, but I don't talk too much. I'll let you to see exactly the work that we've done on the car.